Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon bomb. First, you'll need some tape, of course, a balloon, any size, well, bigger works better. You have some tape, maybe some scotch, and you can use this too. You get these at Walmart, the back things. Here. 1 second. There we are. See, I made it sharp. Or you can use a pen. But first, we're going to get 2 regular strips of tape. 1 second. There we are, 2 regular strips. Then, you place those strips of tape right anywhere on the balloon, mostly. You can't really see it, so you can barely see it. You have to put them next to each other, because they're going to be holding the explosion in for a few seconds. Okay? Okay, I'm going to be outside. Let me just go outside for a second. 1 second. Okay, look. This is what I use. Where is the camera? I put it right here. See it? This is what I use. 1 second. I'm going to turn my camera around. This is what I'm using. Some pointy thing. Oh, these bees. 1 second. Sorry about that. I take this and I'll poke a hole right in the middle of the tape. Okay? Ready? I'm going to show ya. 1 second. One second. I don't want this. Told ya. That one didn't work as good as I thought. Okay, bye.